So in this video, guys, I would like to generate an underscores. So it means if we choose, for example, Harry, so it means we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 underscores. If we choose Hermione, it means we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 underscores. Correct? So it means the random word or random character is stored in a random word. So it means I would like to generating underscores, and here I would like to create a hidden hidden word. Okay, hidden word means I would like to store here the underscores. So it means I would like to create a for cycle in random word. So it means, for example, for one letter in random word. So what does it mean? It means if we choose, for example, Harry, so here will be Harry, and the cycle goes like this, that the first letter H will be in one letter and the cycle will run. After that, A will be stored in one letter and the cycle will run. R will be stored in one letter and the cycle will run, and so on and so on. I hope you understand, guys. So it means it will goes how many times how much letters is in the word. So if in the Harry there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letters, so it goes 5 times. Hermione has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It means it goes 8 times. Correct? So it means I would like to choose a hidden word and append there. So it means put there on the last, like the last item, what? An underscore. Okay, so it means I will delete this. So if I will print a random word and after that I will print hidden word, so what we have done. So it means if I will run it, you can see that here is Hermione, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it means we have here 8 underscores. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. That's correct. So I will comment this out. Oh, maybe I will stay with these prints. Maybe it will be okay for another code. So I will stay with the print here. Perfect. So we will continue in the next video.